Hello there and welcome to this JavaScript syntax video. The syntax refers to how JavaScript is written. Because JavaScript works with HTML and CSS, I'll need to create a basic web page for me to demonstrate how JavaScript works. Alright, I've got the Notepad++ editor open and I've got some code I've pre-written here. So I've done that just to save time. So this is just a basic HTML page. There's not even a CSS on this page, just a standard simple HTML page. So let me just run this page so you can see what it looks like. So if I go run, I'll run in Firefox, click on that, and there you go. So that's just the basic page. It says I love JavaScript. All right, so there's no CSS on it. All it does is display this text here. So as I'm not sure how your knowledge of HTML is, but with HTML it only displays the text between the body tags. That's why you've got this text here displayed, and the text is enclosed within the paragraph tag. So this is not a HTML lesson, so I really don't want to spend too much time talking about HTML. Just that we need the HTML to show how JavaScript works. All right, let me insert some JavaScript. So to do that, I'm going to insert a popular JavaScript that most people may have come across. It's called the alert box. So to do that, we need to start with a script tag. And then we need to close that as well. So this is a script tag, and in between is where we'll place the JavaScript code. So the code I'm going to write is an alert, which will bring up a pop-up box. Show me the money. And then it's very important to end your JavaScript code or statement with a semicolon. The semicolon tells the web browser that's the end of the code or the comment or the statement. Just like you have a full stop when writing a sentence, with code you need to put a semicolon. It's a good practice where you've got several code on the page or on the text editor. You need to separate each statement. If not, you may get confused later. So it's a good practice to have the semicolon at the end of the code. All right, so this is the script. You need a script tag to embed your code, and the code goes in between the script. So this is an internal JavaScript, kind of like we're embedding the code within the HTML. So I just click save to save the page, and then run it. If I run it, I should get an alert box. So click launch. All right, though this is our JavaScript code. So this is what's known as an alert box. So it's alerted the word show me the money, which is what is in the text editor. All right, so this is a standard JavaScript code. If I click OK, then the web page will now display correctly. Okay, so that's the rest of the web page. We could also have the JavaScript on a separate file known as an external JavaScript. So I can actually cut this out and place somewhere else, and then all I need to do is specify the location inside the script tag with the src attribute, and then an equals to, and then specify the location. So this would tell me the location of the external JavaScript file. So if you are inserting an external JavaScript, this is how you would do it. Inside the script, you use the source to identify the location. The equals to will tell you where the file is, and you place the location in between the quotes. All right, so that's how you will reference an external JavaScript. If you're using the external JavaScript, you don't need the code, because the code will be in the external script. All you need to do is a reference to the code. In this video, I explained the JavaScript syntax and gave a demonstration of the alert box. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.